lovelies, you're welcome back. How are y'all doing? Thank you for coming back. Alright, to my new subscribers, welcome on board. Let's make some coconut linguine. Alright, let's get right on. Coconut water, coconut milk, the linguine, 1 red onion, ginger, garlic, habanero, and 1 red bell pepper. Go ahead and blend that and boil it for a few minutes. There we go. It's all blended and boiled. Grab a pot, pour in a little bit of oil, add your onion, let your onion saute for a little bit. Once it's translucent, go ahead and pour in your pepper.
Everything is yummy, 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 yummy. Everything is yummy, 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 yummy.
Mix that together, cover it up and let that cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open it back up. It is completely cooked, and pour in your coconut water and the coconut milk.
Good cooking is good looking. Expand your scope of cooking. From exterior basket chain, learn how to make all yummy food.
Put in a bay leaf and add in boiling hot water. Then cover it back up and bring everything to a boil. Once it's boiled, open it back up and put in your pasta, the linguine.
Everything is yummy, 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 yummy. Everything is yummy, yummy.
You want to make sure that you stir it together so that way we don't have any sticky pasta. Then cover it back up to let that cook. Once the water is dry, you see it is not burnt, so you want to make sure that you had a little bit of water from the beginning. Well, if you don't like soggy food like me, then you want to add a little bit of water. If you like soggy food, just add the water according to your preference. Alright, so at this point, after you turn it together, you want to taste it to see if it's perfect for you or if you need to add any more water. I added a little bit more water and cover it back up to let that cook completely.
Yummy, yummy,
Once that water is dried, I open it back up and our linguine is ready. Take a look at that, guys. It is not sticky. Yes, we added the milk, we added the water of the coconut, and this is not sticky at all. Hi lovelies, do you want to know how I know that I make a good meal? It's when I serve my family, most especially my children, and they tell me, "Mommy, thank you for making this. This is so delicious." That is so satisfying. Give this a try. Do you have a kid? Do you have a daughter? Do you have anyone that loves spaghetti? Or do you love pasta? And you just cannot cook it one way. This is another method, and this is a festive season. Okay, introduce this into your festive meal. I'm telling you, you will love it and your family will love it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share me out as well, and just subscribe and support this family. If you want to know how I make these veggies, go ahead and click the card above and you will see how I make these delicious veggies to go with this coconut linguine. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.